Salams and hello there. Thanks for checking out another Eats Meets West recipe. Shrimp masala is on the menu today. This is truly one of the easiest recipes I have, but don't let that fool you. This is also one of my family's most requested recipes because it's everything you want in a takeout dish made at home. It has a bunch of flavors. It's spicy, slightly sweet, and tangy. It doesn't fit neatly into a particular cuisine because it could be Indian or African or Asian. It's great with French fries or with puffy parathas, and it can come together in less than 15 minutes. So let's get started. I take about 2 pounds of large shrimp, peeled and deveined, and I marinate this in a bowl with 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of coriander and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of paprika, and a half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and a half teaspoon of sugar. I also add about a half a teaspoon of orange or red food coloring, 1 to 2 teaspoons of tomato paste, and a quarter cup of fried onion, like you would use for an Indian curry. Mix this together and let it sit for about 5 minutes if you have some time, or fry it up right away if you don't. Then heat about 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a large, non-stick skillet on medium-high heat and add the shrimp. Let them fry for a couple of minutes before turning over. Continue frying for another 3 minutes or so before adding about a half a cup of water or less if you like it drier, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Fresh is always better. I turn the heat down to medium or medium-low and cover for another 3 to 4 minutes before it's ready to enjoy. Garnish with some fresh herbs. I used parsley here, but coriander would work great. I just didn't have it. We like to have it with some paratha, but this would be great with any number of things. Rice, roti, naan, and a fresh crispy salad. In a short time, you've made a memorable meal without resorting to takeout. I love that. Thanks for sticking around to the end, friends. As usual, recipe details are in the description box below. With salams.